Hello everybody, today we're just going to go over a idea behind the array function. Array functions are fairly complicated, difficult to get an idea, mastery of, and the most difficult concept for me starting out was kind of understanding the concept behind it. So we're just going to dedicate this video solely to the concept behind arrays, and then we'll have a whole nother video that will actually explain the formula and delve into it. So basically what an array is going to do, probably the simplest way to show this is with a if formula. You can do the same thing as an array with an if formula. It's just a lot more cumbersome, a lot more steps. It makes it kind of complicated. Whereas an array, we can just throw it out there. It will do all of the work for us and simplify and make your reports look clean and neat. So what we're going to do here is we just have a simple yes/no column that we've typed out on our data, put in first, second, third, fourth, just so it's easy to see where it is, made some valid, some not valid. So we're just going to create a formula that says if the column is yes, invalid, then it's going to return the number in column C. If it is not, then it's just going to be blank. So we can drag this one down, and you'll see that if there's not valid, then it will put blanks in. Now, if you wanted to just combine all of this and show what was valid, you could highlight all these, get rid of the blanks, and it would just have first, fifth, sixth, seventh, ninth. So you could do it. It's a bit of a task. Now, what an array is going to do is with one formula, it is going to look at this and essentially do this exact same thing. It will evaluate an expression, and so we'll select our array. It will evaluate each line in this array and store it all into one formula. So it will look at it and it will actually store that the first line is yes, the second line is no, the third line is no, no, yes, etc., etc. And then we can use another formula that will actually return the true value within that expression. So being able to pull out the yeses and combine them together. So we've got our array formula written out over here, and I'll show you the difference between the two. We've got our array formula, does the same thing as the if formula, just in one formula. Then we can just drag it down, and it will actually combine everything right in a row. Get rid of all those empty spaces, make things a lot cleaner, neater, and really cool. So if you guys want to dive into this array formula, I will use this exact same formula. We'll dive into how it works and get you guys a little bit more acquainted with it. But hopefully that helps you understand the general concept of arrays and makes your life building arrays a lot quicker and easier than I had to go through. Thanks, guys.